Hi, it's Dina for the Infinix Note 12 2023 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app and in the search bar under the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings and need green Apple keyboard, tap once on the footer, then tap twice to OK and go back. Here click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's check the new keyboard and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the models. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.